Welcome to the channel where we explore the dynamic world of entrepreneurship with a twist of intensity. Today, we're diving into the concept of beast mode for founders. Imagine waking up every day with unstoppable energy, laser-focused on your goals, driven by an unparalleled intensity that propels your startup to new heights. Sounds exhilarating, right? However, it's not just about the hype. It's about transforming your mindset and harnessing intensity to achieve real, tangible results. Whether you're struggling with productivity or searching for that extra push to elevate your business, this video is for you. Stick around as we unravel the secrets of going beast mode as a founder and discover how you can apply these principles to your entrepreneurial journey. 1. Understanding the beast mode mentality in business. Let's begin by unlocking the fundamental mindset behind going beast mode. This isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter with a fierce commitment to your vision. The beast mode mentality is akin to an athlete preparing for the Olympics. It requires discipline, strategic planning, and an unwavering focus on the end goal. The core of this mindset lies in recognizing that every challenge is an opportunity. It's about embracing failures as stepping stones and relentlessly pursuing excellence. By cultivating a winner's mindset, you're laying the foundation for sustained success in your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, it's not about the size of the beast in the fight, but the size of the fight in the beast. 2. The importance of intensity and focus for founders. As a founder, you're often pulled in multiple directions, whether it's product development, marketing strategies, or managing the team. Here's where intensity and focus become your greatest allies. Intensity doesn't mean burning out by working every available hour. It means learning to channel your energy into tasks that align with your vision and yield the highest impact. Focus acts as the compass, keeping you on track amidst the noise of daily operations. Developing a laser-sharp focus ensures you're not just busy, but productive, making significant strides towards your goals. The secret lies in mastering time management and prioritizing tasks that drive growth. By strategically applying intensity and focus, you create a powerful synergy that transforms dreams into reality. 3. Inspiring stories of successful founders who went beast. Join me as we explore some inspiring tales of founders who embraced the beast mode mantra and reshaped their industries. Consider Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation. Musk's relentless pursuit of his vision with Tesla and SpaceX exemplifies beast mode in action. His ability to maintain intensity and adapt quickly to challenges has led to groundbreaking advancements. Another iconic figure is Sara, founder of Spanx. With sheer determination and a focused vision, she revolutionized an entire industry despite initial skepticism. These stories highlight that beast mode is not reserved for the select few. It's a mindset accessible to anyone willing to push boundaries. Embracing this mentality can lead to extraordinary achievements and lasting impact in your field. 4. Strategies for maintaining high intensity without overwhelm. You might wonder, how can I maintain such intensity without feeling overwhelmed? This is a common concern, and balancing intensity with self-care is crucial for sustained success. Practice intentional breaks and ensure you set boundaries to recharge your mental and physical energy. Delegate responsibilities and leverage automation tools to focus on high-impact activities. Cultivate a supportive network of mentors and peers who resonate with your vision and can offer guidance when needed. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and exercise, can also enhance your ability to sustain intense focus. These strategies don't diminish your intensity, they refine it, allowing you to operate at peak performance without burning out. Remember, beast mode is a marathon, not a sprint. 5. Common misconceptions about achieving beast mode as a founder. It's time to debunk some myths surrounding the beast mode concept. Many believe it involves a constant hustle, resulting in exhaustion and burnout. However, true beast mode is about strategic hustle, where you maximize efficiency and effectiveness without sacrificing health and happiness. Another misconception is that intensity means aggressive leadership. On the contrary, it's about being assertive yet empathetic, inspiring your team to share your vision. Lastly, beast mode isn't about overnight success. It requires patience, persistence, and perseverance. By understanding these nuances, you can adopt a balanced approach to intensity, ensuring a sustainable and fulfilling entrepreneurial journey. 6. Entrepreneurial focus techniques. Leveling up your intensity. Let's dive into some practical techniques to enhance your focus and intensity as a founder. Start your day with a clear plan. setting specific goals that align with your larger vision. Utilize techniques like the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus with short, effective work sprints, followed by brief breaks. This prevents fatigue and nurtures sustained concentration. Incorporate visualization practices to mentally rehearse success and boost your confidence. Regularly review your progress and adjust strategies to stay agile and responsive to market demands. These techniques aren't just about getting more done, they're about honing your ability to execute tasks with precision and purpose, ultimately leading to transformative results. 7. Transforming your startup with beast mode. Strategies. Finally, let us explore how to infuse your startup with the beast mode ethos to foster a culture of excellence. Begin by setting audacious goals that challenge your team to think big and innovate. Encourage open communication and a culture of learning where failures are seen as opportunities for growth. Foster a collaborative environment that values each team member's contribution, keeping everyone aligned with your mission. Regularly celebrate achievements, big or small, to maintain motivation and morale. This culture not only supports individual effort, but harnesses the collective power of a team united under a shared vision. By embedding beast mode strategies into your startup, you lay the groundwork for sustained growth and success. As we wrap up this journey into beast mode for founders, remember that the power to transform your business lies within you. Embrace the intensity, channel your focus, and cultivate a mindset geared towards excellence. Each day offers a new opportunity to push boundaries and redefine what's possible. Whether you're just starting or well into your entrepreneurial journey, adopting the beast mode mentality can unlock unparalleled potential for you and your startup. Thank you for joining me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep hustling and see you in the next video.